It's MTB time.
All right, we're back inside where it's a little warmer. This video is actually sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box. Click that link down in the description. Go over to Mystery Tackle Box, sign up, get you one of these bad boys, come into your door. It's like Christmas every single month. I absolutely love it. It's my favorite time of the month. So here's the deal. We were going to drive over. There's a tailwater of a lake that is about 45 minutes from me, and it's typically like a consistent temperature since they draw it from the bottom of the lake, and the water is much warmer than the rest of the water around here. So I was going to take this, go over there, see if we can get on a couple fish. But as you can see, we got some snow. We got it twice, maybe 3 times in the past couple days. But we got like 14 to 16 inches of snow. We got quite a bit of snow. And where the roads around me aren't too bad right now, it did snow again yesterday. But the roads around me aren't too bad. But out there where that lake is, I have absolutely no clue. And I need to do a couple things to the Tahoe. Right now. Don't really want to drive it out all the way out there before I fix those few things. So we're going to stay here in the warmth, and we're just going to go through this box and see what we got. First up, we got the G-Rat Baits. This is a jerk bait. GB100SP. Depth 0.8 to 1.2 meters. You do that math. Looks super solid, though. Great bait for this time of year. Jerk baits are perfect. A little popping, a little twitching, a little pausing. Great this time of year. It's got some mustad hooks. It's probably a pretty solid bait. Next up, we got the Lunker Hunt Reactor Impact Series. They're a little wet from the snow. Check that out. Nice little lipless. I really like that color pattern. That's sick. Silver side, they're calling that. Really good bait. Another great bait for this time of year. You can kind of fish it slow. You can kind of reel it close to the bottom, reel it nice and slow. It's got some rattles. Right, the mic's down there. Solid bait. Next up, another Lunker Hunt bait. We got the Lunker Hunt Skirted Swim Jig. 3/8 ounce. Spawner color. Check that out. Nice little swim jig. Also, definitely get bit. Solid. Next up, we got the Jean LaRue Flippin' Biffle Bug. Some soft plastics. Oh, I can open it. Let's open it up. Check one out. Maybe. Oh, you have to actually tear it. My bad. Let's open it up. Check one out. Check that out, dude. That's pretty sick. Got your 4 appendages on the sides. Got your little beaver tail. That's pretty sick. Flip that around, drag it on the bottom. I like it. Slimy. Next up, we got some Spear Point EWG 3/0 hooks. Perfect for those soft plastics. Oh, we also have some Vicious Fishing Fluoro. 100% Japanese fluorocarbon, 8 pound. Check that out. I don't know if I've ever got line in an MTB box before. It's pretty cool. I don't remember, but that's solid. I like that. And last, but definitely not least, the sticker. Check that out. I like that. It's a little wet from being buried in the snow. But let's see if it'll stick. Where are we going to put it? Put it right here. That's from Jen Tattoos, it says. That's pretty cool. Pretty solid. All in all, that's a really good box. Also, one little thing I never mentioned, on these boxes that I just noticed again. I always forget about it. But it's really cool. On the inside here, they give you a little spot. You can measure your fish, take you a nice little picture. You can post it. Pretty sick. Keeper requirements for contest entry. Oh, they do a little contest as well. You can win great prizes, it says. It's got the lengths there for your fish. Really, really cool. That's going to be it for this one. This is the Pro Bass Box. But yeah, like I said, click that link. These are pretty awesome. That's going to be it. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.